Standard 8, Unit 2, Let me sum up. In the last video, we have Activity 1. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने लेसन का एक्सप्लेनेशन किया था. अभी हम वर्कबुक में एक्टिविटी 1 करते हैं. ठीक है, आपको आपकी टेक आउट योर वर्कबुक का पेज नंबर 18 निकालना है और जो भी एक्सरसाइज दी है वो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. एक्टिविटी 1. Read the following text and answer the questions given below them. जो भी टेक्स्ट दिया गया है, पैराग्राफ दिया गया है, उसके आंसर आपको लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज वाई वॉज द प्रिंस कोल्ड गोल्डन लॉक्स. तो आएगा कि द प्रिंस वॉज कोल्ड गोल्डन लॉक्स बिकॉज द प्रिंस हैज beautiful golden hair. Second, why did the king invite many other kings? The answer will be that the king went hunting in the woods and found a giant leaning against a tree. The king blew his horn, called his men, and they came and caught the giant. Proud of his own bravery, the king invited many other kings to join him for a celebration. ठीक है? So they could see the captured giant. Third question is, what condition did the giant put before the prince? So the answer will be on the day of celebration, Goldenlocks was playing with his favorite toy, a golden ball. Accidentally, Goldenlocks threw the ball right into the giant cage. The Goldenlocks told him, please throw my ball back to me. The giant told to the giant, I will give you a nice banana or apple or maybe a cookie if you just give it back. I will only give your ball back if you release me. This was the condition of the जायंट. ठीक है, वो बोलता है कि मैं तुम्हें तभी बोल दूंगा जब तुम मुझे फ्री कर देते हो, रिलीज यानी फ्री कर देते हो. तो ये कंडीशन थी जायंट की. ओके, सेकंड पैराग्राफ आपको खुद लिखना है, आपको फाइंड आउट करके आंसर्स. थर्ड पैराग्राफ भी आपको खुद लिखना है, फोर्थ भी आपको खुद लिखना है, फिफ्थ और सिक्स भी आपको खुद पैराग्राफ रीड करके लिखना है. ठीक है, उसके बाद में है सेकंड क्वेश्चन, select the most appropriate option as answer and write its letter in the box provided against the question. First one is, the prince was called Goldenlocks because the answer will be had golden hair. Second, a giant was found. The answer will be C, in woods. Third, Goldenlocks' father invited many other kings too. तो आएगा D, show his own bravery that he had captured a giant. Fourth one is, the favorite toy of Goldenlocks was B, a golden ball. Fifth, Goldenlocks offered blank to the giant to return his ball. D, all the three. 6. The giant would give the ball back if Goldenlocks C released him from the cage. 7. Goldenlocks could manage to free the giant by C stealing the key and opening the cage. 8. The meaning of the phrase flew into a rage means B, become terribly angry. 9. The meaning of the phrase heartbroken is A. Greatly disappointed. 10. The king swore to A. Punish the culprit who had stolen the key. 11. Goldenlocks was blamed for his crime of stealing the key and releasing the giant. A. Banished. 12. To hide the identity of Goldenlocks the soldier, B. Sent him far away in poor clothes of a shepherd. 13. Blank prepared bouquet for the queen's daughter. C. Goldenlocks. 14. What did Goldenlocks do to attract the queen's daughter? The answer will be C. Tied his golden strand of hair with the bouquet and sent her. The queen, 15. The queen could not allow her daughter to marry. The answer will be B. A poor gardener's helper. 17. Blank could cure Goldenlocks' father. B. Venom from a tiger snake. 17. The adjective not used for the tiger snake. The answer will be A. Longest. उसके बाद में है 24 पेज नंबर, उसमें आपको जितने भी MCQs दिए गए हैं वो सारे आपको होमवर्क में कर लेने हैं, ठीक है। उसके बाद में है थर्ड वन क्वेश्चन, पुट टिक मार्क राइट इफ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू एंड अ क्रॉस मार्क इफ दे आर फॉल्स। टिक करना है राइट या रॉन्ग, ओके। द फर्स्ट वन इज Prince was called Goldenlocks because he had many gold locks. So the answer will be wrong. Second, the king took pride in arresting the giant. Right. Third, the king invited other kings to show his brave act of capturing a giant. Right. Fourth, the giant put a condition of his release to give the ball back to the prince. Right. Goldenlocks asked the soldier to open the cage and free the giant. Wrong. 6. The king swore to punish the person who had freed the giant. Right. 7. The king decided to punish his own son to keep his promise. Right. 8. Goldenlocks was locked in a cage as the punishment. Wrong. 9. The king was happy to punish Goldenlocks. Wrong. 10th. Goldenlock was sent to a gardener. Right. उसके बाद में 11 से लेकर 24 तक आपको खुद करने हैं टिक मार्क राइट और रॉन्ग, ठीक है। यहाँ पर आपको कंप्लीट एक्टिविटी 1 कर लेनी है, ठीक है। एक्टिविटी 1 आपको कंप्लीट कर लेनी है प्रॉपरली और बॉल पेन से ही सब कुछ करना है। डू योर सेल्फ। आपका अगर फाइंड आउट करने आंसर तो आप टेक्स्ट बुक की हेल्प ले सकते हो, टेक्स्ट बुक में से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, लेकिन आपको खुद ही करना है बॉल पेन से ही।